Hello and welcome to my overhaul on the running gear of my Mk2 Golf GTI. I'd like to just introduce myself. My name's Andrew. I'm about sick of the copyright rules with playing music over my videos, and maybe it'd help you if I give you some advice as well, so I don't know. We'll look into what I'm fitting here and how we go about it. All them parts that are green are powder coated, zinc coated first, and then coated with the colour, so that sorts that out. That should last forever then. The fitting in these bushings is pretty simple. Just use a socket on the back, push them in with the vise. Polybush is brilliant, they can always be fitted pretty well in the workshop, always helpful. The polybush placement I've used on my car is basically, they're good but they're not good everywhere. This is polybushed at the front here on this engine bar, and a solid engine mount which should stiffen up the front of the engine. When the car was on the road before, I took videos of it driving, and the 1.8 turbo engine moved so much, it was unbelievable. And I'm trying to limit that now by using these mounts. I'm also using polybushes in the front of the control arms and the rear axle. I'm using an R32 lem forward bush in the back of the front control arms, rubber bushes in the top mounts. Hopefully that should give me a little bit of play, but also the stiffness that I need to keep it all going. The brakes I'm using are 280mm fronts, so G60 calipers, and then the standard rear ones off the calipers are off a Mark III Golf, and the discs are standard Mark II. I've had to upgrade to Brembo discs because I've had a set of performance ones. Over time they started cracking. Someone told me that Brembo were the best solid disc. You can pay to have them grooved, and that's probably your best solution. But we'll get there when we get there. I really want to upgrade the brakes to a 4-pot really, but the budget doesn't allow at the moment. As you can see, they're easy to fit at the front. Just put the bush in, push that thing inside it, and then chuck it under the car. The rear axle, because you've put Powerflex bushes in, they're so much harder to push around. So when you put one side on, you'll need a pry bar to put the other side on. Don't worry, you haven't got it wrong. That's just how they are. That's how they pin the axle in the centre. As you can see here, it's got the old coilovers on, and that's an O2J shifter. The O2J gearbox and shifter together give you a really good gear selection. You can also put the O2J shifter column tower in the O2A, which would be very useful. That's Cooper nickel fuel hose. I thought that would look quite OEM under the car. I'm quite happy with it at the moment, but it might limit my power. It's only 7.6mm or 7.8mm internal diameter, so we'll keep an eye on that. If I'm losing fuel pressure, I've just upgraded the fuel pump, so that should keep up. That just shows the work under the car. It's all been brought back to bare metal with a wire wheel and cleaned up. These Gaz coilovers, I bought them second hand, and Gaz charged me £15 to rebuild them, so I paid to have them all rebuilt and had 2 new pistons made. I charged another £15, so for next to nothing I've got all brand new. The powder coated springs and 2-pack like the shocker bodies are in 2-pack paint. I want to talk to you about the master cylinder. The master cylinder's off forward focus, and I measured how deep the plunger goes into it, and it was 44mm, and I required 47mm. So I got a drill, marked up with a piece of tape on it, and then drilled into it that extra 3mm, which gives me the Stubby master cylinder, but only £22 off eBay, which is perfect for me. Next video should be fitting the engine in the car. Thanks for watching.